Where have we come to? Jurassic Park. We've come to Universal Studios, haven't we? Good morning.
Morning.
It's day 13 today. Last full day.
we never wanted to end, ever.
The 3 weeks next time, I think.
Yeah.
2 weeks is just not enough. I don't think 3 would be either, like, but never mind.
We're going to move here.
Yeah. We've just headed into Universal Studios. It's just a 3-day day, me, Mark and Alex. My mum, dad and we just fancied a little chill around the pool, so we're having our last day in here. Enjoying some shows and stuff for Alex. We'll take him on a few little bits that he likes going on. So there'll be no big rides today, will there?
No, just all the little ones for him.
Just Alex's day.
Meet a few of the characters, get some food.
Might get back on it today. We just popped the Starbucks in City Walkway for a little bit of breakfast. On my way in and grabbed a little coffee. So yeah, we're just going to be having a little day around here. This ride knocks me ill every time I go on it. It's the motion sickness. We've come to this little hot dog stall in the Simpsons section. We're just going to get Alex a little hot dog to eat in the animal show. We've come into the Animal Actor show. Alex has brought his little hot dog here. Mark set his little fan up on the railings to keep him nice and cool. We're just going to watch this little show.
Hot dog by itself.
Hot dog by itself, no fun. Did you like him? Watch the doggies.
And scratch those fleas and ticks. Scratch it. Scratch it. Yeah, and she's so ashamed of having fleas and ticks. She's so ashamed. On your feet. Sandy, you are fantastic, so go ahead and take a bow to all your fans. Alright, that's it. Great job. Facing away from the trainer. To set this up, I'm going to place one of Maple's favorite treats on the ground in front of her for her to focus on. Right. Then I step behind her and only use verbal cues. Good, stay. Watch it. Mia, that's for the dog. That's disgusting. Let's try this again. Maple, on your mark. On your mark. Good. I'm gonna put some more treats down. Stay. This is the workaway. Maple, watch it. Watch it. Sit. On your feet. Now leap into your arms. Get ready, don't worry, she's coming. Big leap, Maple. In the movies, great computers will talk just like us. We do this by training to bring all the necessary effectiveness. Then a computer animator comes in and adds the finishing details. Please get a picture of life. That's it. Everyone give it up for Universal's newest product trainer.
Shrek loves kids in this one.
Press it again. I think he might be lying. It's alright.
What they don't tell you is that there were actually more than me.
Alex loves playing in this little bit here, Poppy's playground. It's going to have a little play before we go in and watch the Imagination celebration. Whee! Came to the Trolls Treats to grab a little ice cream for Alex. We've got the Poppy ice cream. This one with little sprinkles on the top. $7.50 I think this was.
Behind you, it's Shrek.
Was it supposed to storm today? What is happening? This place looks really Oh,
Wait a minute. Are you Princess Fiona?
no. No, I am not the princess.
Let me ask you a question. Do you like parfait?
Of course I do.
See, I told you. Everybody like parfait.
We don't have time for this.
Ah, what was that face? Now I have to believe it. Not a trace of everything. I'm in love. Can't believe it. Can't believe it.
That's why I chose you, Paul. Both sides of the yin and yang. And my true successor.
I believe the staff of wisdom belongs to you.
I can't take that. I mean, you're enlightened and everything, Master Oogway.
Oh, just be true to yourself. I knew you could do it. Poppy, British, what are you doing here?
We heard you singing.
Which immediately made us suspicious of nefarious activity within the area.
That's not true.
Sorry, but I'm always on the lookout for ne'er-do-wells.
Branch, these are our friends. And anything is possible when you have your friends around.
Zane, think of what you did with your imagination today. How can I say? How come I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that pencil in my feet, feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Woo! Come on. Got this feeling in my body.
We just finished up in the DreamWorks show, the celebration one again. That was really good. But enjoy that one. It's on for about 20 minutes, but it's nice to just sit in aircon for a little while. And it's got all of the DreamWorks characters in, which is really good. Now we're just heading over to Diagon Alley. We've actually never even walked through Diagon Alley yet since we've been here. So we're having a little walk through there now. Made it through. It's the sweet shop. There's a little show going on at the minute. Nice little view of the park from this bit. We just had a photo taken here with Jaws. Flash mob. We're having a little dance off in the middle. Just waiting to go meet the minions.
Yay, Alex!
Finished up in Universal. We're all done. Just going out. Alex has just bought himself some stuff from the gift shop on the way out. He bought himself this.
Transformers popcorn thing.
The Transformers popcorn bucket. We just got the popcorn in here. He's not putting it in his bucket. And we've got my little t-shirt. One of the like classic Universal ones with ET and stuff on the front. And we got myself a little Christmas decoration because we always buy a little Christmas decoration every time we come away. So we got the Universal globe, which I will show you actually when we get back to the room. It's all packed up at the minute. But yeah, we're just heading back to the hotel now just for a little chill. Bye bye Universal. Till next time. We're in the Cheesecake Factory, looking at the menu. I think I'm gonna get, I'm stuck between these two. I'm not quite sure yet. So the chicken parmesan club, the fries. Mum, what did you get?
Spicy shrimp.
Spicy shrimp. Alex has got the kids' meatball, but that is a huge portion. Ruby's got a side of fries. Dad's got the an absolute bin there. And Mark got the double cheeseburger. We just came out of the Cheesecake Factory. Absolutely delicious. Did you enjoy yours? The meals are so good from there. So nice.
I had that bread with a side of fries. Well, side.
Yeah.
It was like so much. And then for dessert, I had this like
it was like a shortbread, like a shortcake. It was really nice. And I got that chicken caramel burger. I think it was actually really nice. Dick's were on. We've came to get Mark's mum a present for watching our little dog Freddie while we've been away. I feel like she'll like this. Forgot to show you the t-shirt that we got Alex from Universal earlier. Actually, it was this one. With little ET on. It was his first big ride. That was $23, and this was the Christmas decoration that we picked. Just the Universal Studios globe, and that was $25. We're just back in the room now. We're just sorting my stuff out, packing my cases, trying to fit everything in to where it was when we came. Yeah, and then we're gonna head to bed. Alex, would you like to say goodnight?
Bye.
Alex is sitting on the bed up here eating the rest of her sugar cookies. Hence the blue mouth. Say bye bye everybody, see you in the morning. Bye. Good night. Good morning. Last day. It's the last breakfast. I don't know what's happened to my camera. Well, I don't know what's happened to my camera. It's very hot, so it's all condensed and steamed up when I come outside, so sorry for the fog. I've wiped the lens so many times and it's not clearing it, so yeah, I'm just gonna have to deal with this. How's the whole day been, Roo?
amazing.
It's been so good. We've really enjoyed it. It's always sad coming home from Florida. I feel like other holidays you're ready to come back, but Florida I just feel like you're never ready to go home. We were saying maybe next time 3 weeks instead of 2. And then I still feel like it probably wouldn't be long enough, to be fair. Never happy, are we? Anyways, we're just heading over to McDonald's for the final breakfast. And then, which way we're going here? Oh, there.
About the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, so good. It was really nice. Good value for money as well. I think the Cheesecake Factory is really not that expensive at all. Mine and Mark's meal with Alex's came to like $60 for the 3 of us, which I think is pretty good. So yeah, we're just heading to McDonald's and then we're gonna go and pack up that car again, like the Tetris game that it will be. And
that will not be fun.
Head off. We'll see how that goes. And then we're gonna head off to Melbourne. And my flight is at 4 o'clock, so we've got to get there 3 hours early, so yeah.
Get there for about 1 hour.
We'll vlog a little bit of today, but I probably won't vlog the actual flight because night time and Alex will be sleeping. The last breakfast. We just got back to the room from our breakfast. We're just going to finish off, weigh in cases, double check everything's all fine, and then head to Melbourne. I think it's about an hour drive from here, so it still takes a little while, but it's not too bad. We've made it. Made it to Melbourne. We've just dropped the car off behind where it literally takes 2 seconds to drop your car off. It doesn't take long at all. So we're just heading to the airport now. Everyone's got the cases up here. Ready to go. Sad. Making yourself at home. Burning off some energy before we go on the plane. We've made it through. For shops you've got this little coastal, which is news and stuff. Little gifty bits in there. Then you've got the little duty-free shop, and then there's the tap room, which is just there, which I'm guessing is just a bar. Then we've got butcher block just down there, and then further down this bit here there's like a Dunkin' Donuts and stuff. Alex is just carrying on here in the airport, loud as usual. Mark's just grabbed a pizza from the butcher's block. Looks actually really nice. Bottle of pop, packet of crisps, waiting for the plane. Been to Dunkin'. Got the goods. We're still just waiting on the waiting on the plane. Mark's not well. Full of cold.
No, really, it's because I don't want to come home, that's why.
It's the whole day blues before we've even left.
We'll be back straight away.
Watch this space. Me and Ruby are hiding. We're standing next to this cute rainbow wall. Anyway, this is the end of our Florida vlog. We're just waiting for the plane any minute now. So we're just going to finish the vlog here. Take it away.
Please make sure to like all of the, how many parts?
There's a few, 7 I think.
Like all of the parts and comment if you want, and
we will see you in the next one, hopefully. Bye-bye.
Bye.